Hello guys, my name is Pradeep, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you about a plugin that is going to be a complete game changer for your WooCommerce store. So this plugin's name is Nimora. This is an AI-powered plugin that will completely automate your store. So let's see how this plugin works and how you can install it in your WordPress dashboard. First, you need to come to your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New in the Plugin section. Here, you need to search for Nimora. As soon as you search for Nimora, you will find this plugin here. You simply need to click Install Now and then activate it. As soon as you activate it, a Nimora option will appear in your side menu. Here you can see that the Nimora dashboard has opened. Inside the dashboard, you get many options like AI blog generator, SEO audit, page speed, meta tag, visitor analytics, and much more. So first, let's talk about the AI blog generator. With the help of the AI blog generator, you can generate automated blog posts for your products. You just have to select your product, and this AI will automatically generate an SEO-friendly blog post. Let me show you an example. Here I click on AI blog generator. Now I see a list of my products here. I select any one product for which I need a blog post. After selecting the product, you have to click on the Generate button here. In a few seconds, this AI will write a very good blog post for your product in which product keywords and features will be properly mentioned. You can see how quickly it has generated a complete blog post. You can also edit it or directly publish it on your website. Now let's talk about SEO audit. With the help of the SEO audit tool, you can do a complete SEO analysis of your website. It will tell you what SEO issues your website has and how you can fix them. As soon as I click on Start Audit, it starts scanning my website. In a short while, I will have a detailed report in front of me in which meta tags, headings, image alt tags, and many other things will have been checked. You can see that the report is ready. Here, issues are shown in red color, and things that are correct are in green color. You can improve your website's ranking by fixing these issues. After this comes the page speed option. From here, you can check your website's loading speed for both mobile and desktop. Optimizing speed is very important for user experience and SEO. By going to the meta tag section, you can easily generate meta titles and descriptions for your pages with the help of AI. This helps a lot in increasing your click-through rate. In Visitor Analytics, you can see how many visitors are coming to your website, where they are coming from, and which pages are most popular. This data will help you in making marketing strategies. So friends, the Nimora plugin is a complete package that can take your WooCommerce store to the next level. Its interface is very simple and user-friendly. If you want to automate your store and save your time, then definitely try the Nimora plugin. You can download it from the WordPress Plugin directory. I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. So friends, now let me show you how the AI blog generator actually works. Here I enter a primary keyword such as best WordPress plugins. Now I select the word count here. For now, I will generate this for 1,000 words. As soon as I click on Start Generating, it will create this blog for my WooCommerce in WordPress. So now you can see it has already started generating. Now you can see that our blog has also been generated. Now as soon as your blog is generated, you simply get the option to publish to WooCommerce here. As soon as you publish to WooCommerce, and if you go back inside the WordPress posts, then you will see that your post has already been generated and appeared. If you want to view it, you can view it here. So here you can see that it has already published it. And what it has done is it has also added internal linking related to my product. So if I click on this, I will be redirected to the product, okay, to the product page. So here you will already see that it has updated the meta title description, etc. in Yoast. Now we just view it by clicking on View Post or by clicking on Permalink, so you can see this whole post has been properly done. Now if we come back to the Nimora tab, after that you get the option of SEO audit in the same way. If you click on SEO audit, you will get the complete SEO report here. Along with that, if you want to fix one-click SEO issues, you can take its premium version, in which you will also get the option of one-click SEO issue fixes. It has told us all the SEO issues and everything. What errors are there on our website? Now, if you scroll here, you can see all the issues like meta title issues, missing image text, or whatever issues there are. It has told you all the issues. As soon as you load more, you get most of the issues here. There's also a linking issue here. If you take its premium version, you'll just get a button here on which you can do one-click SEO fixes, okay? In the same way, you get the option of page speed, meta tag, visitor analytics, where you can see which visitor came from where. You get the option of heat maps, in which you can see which pages have more traction. Plus you get the option of AI analytics spot, which completely answers you like which product is getting more traffic, how to optimize it. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, then like the video. And if you want its premium, you can go to the Nimora.us website and you can get its premium from the WordPress plugin directory. So guys, now we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.